Hey there, John. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with you earlier today, promising this short video giving you a few tips to help increase your online traffic. Now, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help with getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Take these tips and use them for yourself. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. There's a few things that I do like about your page here. I love the fact that you've got your social media icons right up at the top here, as well as your email and phone number. Makes things so easy to find, and that leads to very quick conversions for those that do get to your site and being able to contact you right away. Now, and as I scroll through, the one thing that I do see that you're kind of lacking on for the most part is going to be just content in general. You actually have a really nice looking Wix site. For this being a Wix site, which is normally done a do-it-yourself, kudos, man. One of the better ones I've seen in a while. So when I'm talking about content, I'm talking about, of course, everything on your page. Not only the words, though, I'm talking the photos too. Now, and how the photos are actually saved on your computer prior to them being loaded onto the web page actually can be seen by Google, and that will help you rank for certain keywords. So if you had this one saved as a keyword, so like fence installation Pittsburgh, I don't know if I think you're trying to display the fence over here, so that would be perfect for this one. So fence installation Pittsburgh, instead of what this is saved as on your computer before you loaded it in, would get you another keyword on your site. The more keywords you can get on your site, the better. And Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words, which I know seems like a lot, but there's a couple of reasons for that, and you can make a really nice looking website, just as nice, even better than what you have here, even with that much content. It won't seem wordy, I promise. So there are a couple of reasons that much content is important. First off is Google is a content king. Google loves content. It actually has a couple of algorithms that determine how much content you have on your site in relation to where they want to put you up on a Google search. Now, and of course, there's more than just content that goes into where you're placing on a Google search, but that is part of it. The other part of why that much content is so helpful is because you can put in more keywords into your site, and the more keywords that you have, the easier and faster it is to rank for those keywords. So that's really all I have for you on your site here, is just really try and go out and find more unique keyword-rich content, and then make sure that all of these pictures are saved as those keywords that you're wanting to go for as well. Now, when I'm talking about keywords, fence installation Pittsburgh is a great one. That's one of the top volume keywords in your area. There's quite a few actually out there with decent volume. So fence installation, the one I have, has a volume of 350. That means 350 times in a month someone is searching that particular term in Google. Now, in all of these others, you see the volume 2, 3, 1, 80, and it continues to go down from there, but that's quite a few keywords just for keywords that have fences, fence, and Pittsburgh. That's all I put in here for my search, and it just spits out how many keywords have those particular terms in them. Alright, so the next thing I want to go over with you is actually this area here, which is the map pack. And within the map pack, we see these Google My Business profiles. Now, these top 3 companies are getting a lot of leads by being in this top section, because 40% of the volume for this particular keyword, 40% of the people that search that actually go to these 3 spots and don't move any further. So they're either clicking on their website or calling them straight from here, and they don't move on at all. 40%. Now, and how many leads are you missing out on by not being up in the top of the map pack for several different keywords? Now, how do you get into the top of this map pack? Well, the easiest way is with citations. Citations are just listings of your business in different directories across the web. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to be on this list. But there's more that goes into it than that, and I tried finding a listing, a Google My Business listing for you, and I wasn't able to find one. So when you're creating a Google My Business profile, make sure that you go through and fill out absolutely everything you possibly can. Make sure in that description that you are filling it with as close to the full 500 words allowed as possible, and with unique keyword-rich content. And then add a lot of photos, as many photos as you possibly can. Pull them off of your Facebook page. I saw a lot of great photos there. Pull them off your Facebook page. Of course, save them as keywords, and then load them onto your Google profile, your Google My Business page. The last thing I'd like to talk to you about is going to be this organic section down here. And we said 40% of people go to the map pack up here. Well, another 30% are just going to this very top listing here. So 70% between the map pack and this very top are all gone already, and no one else even goes past that. You're only talking 30% of people that are searching fence installation Pittsburgh that go past this spot right here. So how do you get into the top spot here? Well, of course it's going to matter the content and keywords that you have on your site, but then the back side of your site really matters a lot here as well. Now, and this is a tool that I use, and it just kind of gives me a glimpse of what's working and what's not for your site. Now, you currently have 2 referring domains giving you 5 backlinks. So you've got to start, but you don't have any keywords on your page right now, none that Google is seeing at least. So definitely something to work on here is getting more backlinks and more keywords on your site. Now, and what is a backlink, you might be asking? It's just a link from one website back to yours. That's all it is. A lot of those citations we kind of talked about really quick over in the map pack will give you a backlink, so that's a way to get some, but those aren't going to be the strongest, and you really want some nice strong ones as well. And a strong backlink is going to be like another fence or, land leveling, something related to your business site, maybe even in another state, that's willing to give you a link back to your site. That'd be a lot stronger website. I mean, you can even do comments and blogs with a link to your site. That would work as a backlink as well. There's a lot of ways to get backlinks. It's just a matter of which ones are actually really going to help you and which ones are just there. If we take a peek at your competition here, we see they have 112 referring domains, giving them 484 backlinks, and they're currently ranking for 1,100 keywords. So definitely the keywords area is where you really need to focus your website content and keywords. And after that, I would definitely get that Google My Business page for the map pack all set up and running. Ask for reviews on that. As many 5-star reviews as you can will really help as well. And then, of course, work on building up the strength of your website by gaining more backlinks and referring domains. Alright, John, that is all I have for you today. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to know more on how I can help grow your business and bring you new customers, please reach out and we can chat. But if not, no big deal. Enjoy these free tips I've given you. Now, and if you don't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video, it would really be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.